To make authentic Peshawari Chapli Kababs. Start by taking half a kilo of minced meat, preferably beef or mutton with a little fat for juiciness, and place it in a large bowl. Add 1 finely chopped onion, 1 chopped tomato, some green chilies, fresh coriander, mint leaves, and a spoon of ginger garlic paste. Now, for the real flavor, mix in crushed coriander seeds, roasted cumin, pomegranate seeds, red chili flakes, black pepper, and salt according to taste. Break in 1 egg and add a couple of spoons of cornmeal or gram flour to help bind everything together. Then mix well with your hands until it forms a thick mixture. Once ready, take a small portion in your palm. Flatten it into a round kebab, and press a thin slice of tomato right on top. Heat oil or ghee in a pan on medium flame, gently place the kebabs in, and shallow fry until both sides turn golden brown and crispy, while the inside remains soft and juicy. Your delicious Peshawari Chapli Kababs are ready to serve. Pair them with naan, fresh salad, raita, or a tangy chutney for the perfect traditional taste.